Hey y'all, and welcome to another project with my 2019 Lincoln Navigator. Today we're going to be doing an unboxing and the installation of the 300-pound roof racks that was sent to me. This is going to be the project that I desperately need. Somehow or another, when I took my car to the shop, my second roof rack was stolen, or at least it came up missing, and nobody at the shop seemed to know what it's about. So this is a perfect thing because I actually need these roof racks pretty desperately. I do have an overhead camper to put on top of my truck when I travel with my family. To order them for the dealership, they said $795. So this product is less than $100. One is going to be given to my viewers, and the other we're going to do the unboxing. So hang tight. We're going to remove that one that's on top of the car and then install these new 300-pound roof racks. Okay, so let's get this bad boy open and let's see what we got in the package. And let's actually get this one out the way because this is going to be the giveaway. If you have a 2018 through 2024 Lincoln Navigator, this product is guaranteed to fit, or a 2018 to 2026 Ford Expedition, this product will fit. So let's see what we have here. It's nicely packaged. Okay, that's a box. All right, we got some clear instructions with some nice size diagrams. Okay, look like we got some pretty good illustrations here on how you should install it. Let's see what all we have in a pack. Pretty nice heavy gauge aluminum here. Seem like everything is pretty nice quality, nicely marked so you know what goes where and in which direction. I like the fact that they got the screws already pre-installed so you know nothing is missing. Okay, so these are the parts that you have included. Everything is nice, high quality metal. Yeah, screws are already pre-installed, so you know everything is there. You have these rubber type pads that go onto the edges to protect your vehicle from scarring and scratching, which is pretty impressive. So we got to get up here and remove the factory ones, or at least the factory one, because again, one of mine was stolen. So I'm not sure if this is factory or not, but this is what came with the vehicle. And unfortunately, when I got my car back, this is what I had. All right, so we got everything connected, but they're not tightened down. So we're gonna take the tape off the foam protection, line the hose up, and it should look like this. Same thing here. Poke the hose off, take the tape, line the hose up. All right, one down, one to go. Pop the hose off, remove the tape. And I love it. They even give you an extra piece just in case you lose it or damage the tape. I think that's pretty good. Okay, now we see what's left, what's right. We know which one is the front of the car, which one is the rear. Couldn't be easier. Now let's go to the top of the vehicle. Everything is just nice and tight and sturdy. And again, these are the Tuyoung 300-pound crossbars for the 2018 through 2024 Lincoln Navigator and for the 2018 through 2026 Ford Expedition. Nice quality product, aerodynamic, looks good, perfect fitment, nice high quality materials, nice rugged. So I'm doing a giveaway for the other product. So if you're interested in this, leave in the comments. That's how the product actually looks, front to back, well made. Like I said, low profile. This is definitely not going to have a problem holding 300 pounds, that's for sure. If this is a product that you're interested in, the link is going to be in the description. For under $100. The product ships pretty quickly. I got mine in 2 days, and I think you'll be impressed, as I am. And this is how it looks from the rear. Like I said, pretty low profile. And I'm actually just getting back from out of town. So my next stop is going to be the car wash. And you can see how this product doesn't sit high, fits pretty good. And I have a 2019 Lincoln Navigator Reserve in black. The product is in black. So I'm pretty impressed. Like I said, one of mine was missing and I ordered an aftermarket one for this truck and it actually didn't fit for whatever reason. I also have a 2016 Yukon Denali, and I was in Michigan on my way back, and I didn't have any crossbars on my truck whatsoever on that one. It came with the rails, but there was no crossbars. So I got an aftermarket product. It was made out of flimsy plastic. I had to make some holes in it, drill some holes in it to make it fit. And it was just an absolute disaster. Every few miles or so, I had to check it, make sure to it my container that was carrying on top of my Yukon didn't move. A couple of times I had to stop and tighten up some screws. But again, I got that from the local auto parts place. And the only one that they had that they said fit really didn't fit. So I wish I had this product then. But this product fits a variety of different vehicles. I did check online. I'm going to order this for my Yukon Denali, so we don't have this problem again. I will be doing a giveaway on this product. Again, here's the other box. Brand new product, ready to be shipped out. Leave a message in the comments. Again, if you have a 2018 through 2024 Lincoln Navigator or a 2018 through 2026 Ford Expedition, inbox me. That's the vehicle that you have, and I will select someone in the audience to send that product to. Alrighty, so thanks again for watching. And again, if 2018 through 2024 Lincoln Navigator or 2018 through 2026 Ford Expedition, I have a product for you, and I think you'll be equally as pleased as I am. Thanks a lot for watching. I'll talk to you guys on the next video.